Hello language adventurers! Welcome to another episode of Arabian Gulf Grammar Adventures. I'm your guide, Katie, and today, we're diving into the fascinating world of pronouns. Pronouns are like word superheroes. They help us replace nouns in sentences to make our language smoother and more interesting. Instead of saying the same noun again and again, we use pronouns to refer back to them. Pronouns replace nouns and proper nouns to help our sentences flow more easily. Let's look at this paragraph. Sheikh Zayed was one of the UAE's founding fathers. Sheikh Zayed is very important to people because Sheikh Zayed wanted what was best for Sheikh Zayed's people. It uses the proper noun Sheikh Zayed 4 times in 2 sentences. It stops the sentences flowing smoothly. We can replace some of those Sheikh Zayeds with pronouns. Let's have a look at the same paragraph with the word Sheikh Zayed replaced with the pronouns he and his. Sheikh Zayed was one of the UAE's founding fathers. He is very important to people because he wanted what was best for his people. It sounds much better and flows much more smoothly. We have many pronouns, but some of the most common ones are I, he, she, it, we, you, and they. These little words make our sentences flow effortlessly. Now, we will look at some sentences featuring pronoun.